Dewan orang bisa.
Minister di kong amperi ni wan anne ikai de. Minister. Ya, ingin muk ya.
Ya. Daulan mo, jajai. Daulan saudara. Daulan. Ya. Ayo daulan. Ini perlu kali.
Namar kejing pej kai ke sorkar ban khot ya kren ka kenhun kino hikai SSA ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association mendak si balang kalayat pajba namadan malki ke jaka song yeki ban ya sekretariat ban penbor ke sorkar jela bahkan pentre kamno ya kejing dawa penkiu tulop basis pa persen kene kenhun kino hikai SSA kalapan loing kejing song kalai mongor baklem put sngi hamadan malki wala jam menta syakasngi ke bakhandai Abayoi ye kejing ngap menti ke sorkar ye kejing ki kinoi kai SSA kilemi namadan malki te kejing thu ban yat patba cha sekretariat Henry ki board district bat ki board pulit kila batno ye ki hajan ke state central library bat lasha tangi ki katto kat nengut ki badai kinoi lam bandrung support sekretariat kejing thu jong kene ken hon kalong e bane kendo yu menteri rang ba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma bat yu menteri kata pule puthi urakam e sangma bedang don menta shirilum garo Kila pentip bagi jing temu banwani kendu yang menteri rangba ke jela baru menteri kata pule putih renamar bakim don sene kila kendu no yang menteri sorkar ba pol lingdo ubaderu unong aiktin ke sorkar jela kila pentip
Ya.
Arlan mo. One.
See, we have been sitting for the seat administration from the first of the month of October up to date. It's already 9 days long. So today, when we had a meeting with all teachers who have come and participated in the administration, our teachers, they have decided that we have to force the government. We have to present again the secretariat, the education minister, and at the same time the CM. But when we reach here, the CM and the education minister were not available. So we have met the spokesperson of the government of Meghalaya, Paul, and we have discussed with him, and he told us that yes, the government has prepared, and regarding the presence of the education minister, he said that in the sake of the education minister, he said that the education minister has already submitted a first representation to the chief minister. But the chief minister, he asked again him that he has to prepare another second presentation. That's all, and he has advised us that we have to meet the advisor of education, Sir H.M. Champion.
So you are going to meet him? H.M. Champion? Are you going to meet?
Yes, we are going to meet him because he is the advisor to the education of government of Meghalaya. So he knows well regarding the announcement that we have demanded from the government.
Your name?
My name is Peter Thumya, is the president of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association.
The strike will continue.
Pardon?
The agitation.
Yes. Okay, the agitation will continue. continue us unless and until we have achieved our demands. So we will be there in the playground of Malki.
Okay. And how long has it been now that you all have been on agitation?
We have been for 9 days long, right from the 1st of October 2024.
Thank you.